Okay, you're welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving question on the topic loci. We are drawing the locus of a point on the circumference of a rolling circle of diameter 40 as it rolls on a base circle of diameter 180. Let's make it 100. Right, it's wider. A base circle of diameter 100 for one complete cycle. Then it went further to say that we should draw tangent and normal to the locus at a point which is 30 from the base of the rolling circle and to the right hand side. Now to solve this question, invariably, since we have a circle rolling on another circle, that means what we are asked to draw is the locus of an epicycloid. Invariably, we are drawing epicycloid. The first thing we draw, just draw a line at any angle like this. Now along that line, let us measure the diameter of the circle. The diameter of the rolling circle is 40. So I'll measure, or I can just measure 20. If I measure 20 here, I will now stay here and use that 20 as radius and draw a circle. So that's our circle of radius 20. That's diameter 40. Then I need to divide into 12 equal parts. I'll draw this one first. To divide into 12 equal parts, I'll stay here. I'll mark arc here and here. I'll stay here. I'll mark arc here and here. I'll stay here. I'll mark arc here and here. And I'll stay here. I'll mark arc here and here. So I've divided it into 12 equal parts. So let me join them. So I've been able to divide my circle into 12 equal parts. Now, and the base circle is diameter 100. That means the radius will be 50. So I'll measure 50. From here, I'll measure 50. Let's say this is my 50. If this is my 50, I'll now stay there as center and extend it to this place, and I'll draw an arc like this. After drawing an arc, let me label this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then back to 1. Now, I need to know the angle which the locus will subtend. How do you calculate the angle? The formula is r all over r times 360. That will give us theta. That's the angle it will subtend. And what is our r? Our small r is 20, which is 20 all over 50. 50 diameter is 100, so radius will be 50. Then times 360. And this will definitely give us 144. 144. That's what it will give us. So with this one, that's the angle that we need. So this 144, in order to make it easy for you, just divide this 144 into the number of places you have divided your circle. I've divided this circle into 12 parts now. So I'm going to divide this 144 into 12. So divide by 12. And that will give me 12 degrees. This is 144 degrees. So it's giving me 12 degrees. So what I will do is, I don't have a very big compass, unfortunately. I'll place my protractor like this and measure 12 degrees. 12 degrees will be somewhere around here, like this. So let's say this is my let's say this is my 50 here. So I'll measure my 12 degree and I'll draw it. That's 12 degrees, like this. I hope that is clear. So this now, and I need 12 of this, and I have one already, so I need 11 more. I'll just stay here like this, take this dimension, I'll mark it 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'll draw all the radar lines through all those points. The radar lines, I'll draw them through all those points. I'll draw my radar line to pass through all the points. last one. If you count it, it will be 12 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let me label them. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and back to 1. So the next thing to do now, I'll take my center as the center, and I'll extend my pencil to all the numbers, one after the other. I'll start from 7. I'll draw an arc, and I'll put my pin on this point, then take it to 6. It will connect 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 will go like this. Then the next one, it will connect 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 will go like this. And the next one will be 4 and 10. To connect them like this. That's 4 and 10. Then to connect 3 and 11. This is 11 here. 3 and 11 will go like this. Then I will now connect 2 and 12. 2 and 12 will go this way. Then one more thing. The center of the circle. I also need to draw an arc passing through the center of the circle. So let me adjust this one a little so that we will not confuse our center with it. So 4 and 10. Let's say it goes like this. Let's say these are 4 and 10. Then I'll now take the center of the circle. The center of the circle will now go like this. Take the center of the circle. So I'll now label it. This is 1. So this will be C1. This is 12. I have C12 on the center, the one that's coming from the center of the circle. So this place will be C1. This is 2. C2 will be here. C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11, and C12. Then back to C1. I hope that is clear. So now let us begin to now plot our point. I will take the radius of the circle, put it on C1, and mark it on arc 1, which will be here. This is arc 1. This arc going is 1. So the first point will be here. I'll take the same radius of the circle, go to C2, and mark it on arc 2. You can see this 2. This is the arc for 2. So when I stay on C2, I'll mark it here. Like this. It will give me an arc on this one. Then I'll go to C3, mark it on arc 3. You can see this arc is 3. This is 3 going like this. This arc 3. So I'll stay on C3 and I'll mark it on arc 3 like this. Then I'll go to 4. This is 4. This is arc coming from 4. This one. This arc is coming from 4. So I'll stay on 4 and I'll mark it on arc 4. I'll go to 5, center 5. I'll mark it on arc 5. This is 5 coming like this. So it will be somewhere around here. I'll go to 6. Mark it on arc 6. This one is arc 6. It will be here. And I'll go to 7. It will be at the top here. You can see 7 is at the top. This 7. And I'll go to 8. I'll mark it on 8. This will be 8. If you trace it backward, let's see. You can see this is 8. Now, when you get to 8, don't make the mistake of marking it backward. Make sure you mark it forward. Don't go backward. Now, when you get to center C9, you mark it on arc 9. When you get to 10, you mark it on 10. Let's say it is here. Don't mark any arc on center. The next one is 11, which is this one. So maybe you mark it here. Then 12. You stay on 12 and mark it on 12. Like this. Then the last one, 1, it will be here. Remember, this is 1. If you trace it back, it will take you back to 1. So it will give you, then you join with French curve. You join your locus with French curve like this. So that is our cycloid. That is our cycloid. We have solved the first part of the question. And last part of the question says that you should draw tangent and normal to the locus at a point 30 from the base of the rolling circle. Remember, this is the rolling circle. From this point, you measure 30. Let's say our 30 stops here. Let's say our 30 stops here. So from that point, you put your pin here and extend your pencil to this point. if you like, and draw an arc. But if you draw another arc, it will just make our drawing very rough. There will be too many lines. So what I'll just do, when I put my pin here, put my pencil here, I'll just move it. I'll not draw anything until I get to that right side of the cycloid, this point where it is intersecting the cycloid. But if it has set to the left hand side, then we'll have marked it somewhere around there. But it says to the right hand side, so we'll mark it on this side. That's the point of our tangent. So what do we do now? You get your radius of the circle again, the rolling circle, which is 20. You come to that point with the radius, mark arc on the center line. This is the center line. So you mark arc on the center line. From that point of tangency, with the radius of 20, mark arc on the center line. Then from that point, you draw it backward to the center of the base circle. Extend it back to that place. Now, that line that you have just drawn is intersecting the base at this point. So the next thing to do, just join that point to the point of tangency, like this. So that will give you your normal. And you know that normal tangent is always perpendicular to normal. So you need to draw a line that is perpendicular to that normal at the point of tangency. So you come to that point of tangency and draw a semicircle like this. So that semicircle, you bisect it to get your perpendicular line. You stay here, you mark arc here, stay here, mark another arc here, then join it to this point of tangency to go like this, and that will be your tangent. So that is the solution to the question. So if you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We will meet in the next video.